Voclip AI is the latest game-changing AI software that's making waves. And if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve, you'll want to know the 7 crucial things you absolutely need to understand about it. In this review, I'm diving deep into how Voclip AI works, why it's causing a stir, and if it's worth your time and money. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know whether it deserves a spot in your AI toolbox. First off, Voclip AI is built to help you automate and enhance video content creation using artificial intelligence. Unlike other software, Voclip specializes in creating high-quality video clips with minimal effort, designed to help you increase engagement and streamline your video production process. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or even a business looking to improve your video content, this software could be a game changer. Now, the first thing you should know is how easy it is to use. Voclip AI doesn't require any prior editing or video production skills. The platform's interface is incredibly intuitive, designed to make video editing accessible to everyone. With a few clicks, you can turn raw footage into polished clips ready for social media, ads, or even presentations. It's ideal for people who don't have hours to spend editing but still want professional results. Secondly, Voclip AI is incredibly versatile. It's not just about cutting and trimming videos. The software can help you with everything from adding captions and overlays to adjusting the pacing of your clips to make them more engaging. Plus, it's powered by AI, which means it can learn from your past videos and help you improve over time, making suggestions based on engagement patterns and audience feedback. The third thing to know is Voclip's smart optimization for social media platforms. Voclip AI automatically adjusts your video clips to the recommended formats for different platforms, such as Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. This removes the guesswork from formatting and ensures your videos always meet the best standards for each platform. Another major point is how fast Voclip AI works. Unlike traditional video editing software that can take hours to produce a decent result, Voclip AI processes your video content in a matter of minutes. The speed and efficiency it offers could save you countless hours, especially if you're pumping out videos on a regular basis for your brand or business. Now, let's talk about the power of its AI-driven features. Voclip uses machine learning to enhance your content's potential. It analyzes video performance trends and suggests edits that will likely resonate best with your audience, giving you an edge in creating highly engaging content. The ability to rely on AI for these recommendations is a huge plus because it removes a lot of the trial and error involved in video editing. But how does Voclip AI handle customization? Well, it doesn't fall short in this area either. While it automates many aspects of the video production process, it still offers enough customization options for you to make your videos unique. You can tweak various elements such as text, animation, and timing to fit your personal style or brand voice. It strikes a nice balance between automation and creative control. Lastly, you can try Voclip AI completely free by clicking the first link below. This gives you the chance to experience its capabilities and see for yourself whether it's the right fit for your video needs. I highly recommend giving it a test run, as you have nothing to lose and everything to gain when it comes to improving your content creation process. If you're interested in exploring more AI tools, be sure to check out my recommended list of AI software in the description below. I've tried thousands of tools, and I'm sharing the best ones for digital marketers, content creators, and businesses. These tools have saved me time and made my work much more efficient. You don't want to miss out. So, there you have it. Voclip AI is definitely worth looking into if you want a faster, more efficient way to create engaging videos. Try it for free and see for yourself how it can transform your content creation.